You are not a fifth grader. We will rearrange a little bit.
Yeah, we got a
Ethan, it's not an individual competition, my friend. It's a team competition.
Are you guys working together to build it?
It's
Are
true.
you guys going to build one for your whole team? So
You
which
have
one
1 minute left.
What do you think? You only have 1 minute. What do you think?
That's okay.
Last time I didn't do that. One of these. That's the smaller one than that. Hey, you can go like this. Hey, ours is mostly the same thing. Not too hard, but like that.
All right.
And then fold them like that. Add
Brandon, why don't you come join these two? Make our 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Have everybody? And 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, which one went the furthest? Okay, Christian's group? Over here on the bench? Okay, I have a question. Which one went the highest? No?
I think mine.
Maybe yours, maybe?
I think
Which one went the shortest?
that one. Oh, this one.
Oh, for that
Oh,
one.
that one. That one.
Well, how do we know who won?
Because it was
Did we necessarily say that we were going for distance? I really didn't give you much information at all.